Problem 9-140, find the missing length on this right triangle. No problem. We are ESPN professionals at finding missing lengths in triangles at this point. So that's the side we're looking for, and it also looks like that is one of our legs, right? Because our hypotenuse is directly across from the right angle. And again, that leg can be plugged in for A or B. It does not matter. So let's go ahead and start with that Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And again, we want to make sure that the hypotenuse is always getting plugged in for c. And 7 doesn't matter if we put it in for A or B. So we'll plug it in for A this time. So I'm going to have 7 squared plus b squared equals c squared. Got to make sure I get that 30 in for my hypotenuse, which is c. All right, now let's go ahead and get our calculators handy and do some of this math. So 7 squared gives me 49. I'm going to have that plus b squared. That's going to give me c squared, and my c is 30. So 30 squared is going to give me 900. All right, at this point, to get that b squared by itself, I want to subtract 49 from this side, as well as my other side. So when I do that, I get a 0 pair and only left with my b squared on the left side of the equation. And I have 900 minus 49 on the right, which is going to give me 851. All right, remember, you know that 851 is not my missing side, but it is my missing side squared. So to unsquare, we're going to take the square root on both sides, again, to keep that equation nice and balanced. Well, the square root of b squared is just b, and then the square root of 851 is going to give me, let's round to the nearest hundredth, that will be fine. It's going to give me 29.17 if we round to the nearest hundredth. Now, 29.17 what? Millimeters. So we want to make sure we add that unit on, just so we're being precise here. That's one of our just standards of practice for mathematics across all grade levels. So our missing side length is going to be, you know what we should do? It's not exactly 29.17, but it's approximately. So we need to put in that wiggle, wobbledy equal sign. All right, and that's all for 9-140.